Unit 4 Question 4 Explain about the filters in MS Excel. Microsoft Excel. Filters are tools that allow you to selectively display data based on criteria you define. Filters are particularly useful for quickly analyzing and manipulating large datasets. First point, types of filters in Excel. Second point, autofilter. Autofilter allows you to filter data based on specific criteria within columns. Third point, how to apply autofilter. Select any cell within your dataset. Advanced filter. Advanced filter provides more complex filtering options, including the ability to filter data to another location based on specific criteria you define. Select the data range you want to filter. Go to the Data tab and click on Advanced in the Sort and Filter group. Specify your criteria range, where you define the filtering conditions. Choose whether to filter the data in place or copy it to another location. Fourth point, common filtering actions. Fifth point, text filters. Filter text-based data. Example equals, contains, begins with. Sixth point, number filters. Filter numeric data. Example equals, greater than, top 10. Seventh point, date filters. Filter date-based data. Example today, last week, specific date. Eighth point, custom filters. Create custom filtering criteria using logical operators and values. Ninth point, filter by color icon. Filter data based on cell color or conditional formatting icons. 10th point, working with filtered data. 11th point, clear filters. Clear filters to display all data again by clicking the Clear button in the Sort and Filter group on the Data tab. 12th point, filtering multiple columns. Apply filters to multiple columns simultaneously to narrow down data further. 13th point, sorting with filters. Sort data within filtered results by clicking on column headers. 14th point, benefits of using filters. 15th point, quick data analysis. Easily analyze and explore data subsets without modifying the original dataset. 16th point, efficient data manipulation. Filtered views help in performing calculations or making decisions based on specific criteria. 17th point, presentation preparation. Prepare data for reports or presentations by filtering out irrelevant information. Excel's filtering capabilities are powerful for data analysis and presentation, providing flexible options to explore and present data efficiently based on your specific needs and criteria.